All right, guys. In this video, you guys need to install a software, and it is free for 2 weeks. Okay, and after that, we will see what we need to do to make it permanent. So, to install the PLC software, what you need to do, you need to go to canadu.com/lp/dwnloads.asp. And what I will do is I will put this link down in the video. Okay, and you guys can click and then come right here and install this software. All right, once you install it, then I'm going to show you how do you start it. So you click, type in here Logix Pro. Here's the Logix Pro. It takes a little while and then it's going to open. It's loading right here. There we go. After that, what I want you guys to do is go ahead, cross this. All right, we will talk about all these things right here, but now we want to start from the very beginning. So we're going to click on IO simulator, and I don't see input output simulator there, so I'm going to cross this, and here it is. So if you see right here, we got real life. I mean, these are virtual, but this is how real life would look like. So this is normally open. Now, normally open switch, but if I want to change this, what I do, I right click. So right click on it. This is now normally open push button. This is normally close push button. Right click again. This is a toggle switch. Right click again. This is a normally closed toggle. And this is just a normally open switch like you have in the houses. So we're going to start with that for now. I'm going to make this video, this thing right here small. So I'm going to click on negative. So we can put two windows right here. I'm going to put that down, put this guy down, and we are going to make our first circuit here. So we will do theory in every lecture, and then we will verify our theory with practicals to make sure that what we are saying and what we are doing is right. So the theory has to align with the practical. Okay, so I'm going to make this smaller. There we go. So you guys can see it now. Now I'm going to make it plus. Nice. So right here is a normally open instruction, and then here is an output. And I'm going to make another normally, we're going to make a normally close instruction right here, and then I'm going to get an output. All right. So I'm going to say right here input, I'm going to say I:1/0. And what is mean by I:1/0? So what is mean by I:1/0? Input card 1. This is card 1, and card 1 connection 0. What I'm saying here, I'm going to say here output card 2 and card 2 connection 0. So where is the card 2? The card 2 is right here, guys. Output 2 connection 0. Then this is the same instruction right here. I:1/0, but he is normally closed. Input card 1 connection 0. Here is input card 1 connection 0. So here would be 120 coming in, and then the common would be coming up here. Okay, so this is going to be output O:2/1. What that means? That means output card 2, and card 2 I got connection 1. This, whatever this device is, it is connected to that that connection. And in the previous video we talked about this. All right, so let me draw that quickly for you guys. What we say previously, to make it right here. So like normally open, and normally open, when we have these instruction, what did we say? We said that, okay, this is 0, this is 0, this is going to be off. This is 0, and whenever it is normally closed, we say it is 1. Let's say, so 0 and 1 will always give on. Okay, and you guys would see that it is just kind of contradiction, but the CPU is checking the status of this guy. All right, the status of this guy. So let's check this. We are saying if this is open and we are using this normally open instruction and we are using normally closed instruction, which one is going to be true when this guy is open? And we are saying, theoretically, we are saying that this is going to be true and this light is going to be on and this is going to be off. Our program, we're going to go ahead and download this simple program. So you come here, download to the PLC, you go online and you tell our CPU, hey CPU, run, and see what happens. Run. Okay, so this is 0, yeah, this is 1, the light is on. So what we say theoretically, it agrees with practical. Now if I close this, watch this, if I close this, then this is going to turn 1 and this is 1, so this should be off, and this will be 1 and this will be 0 and this will be on. You see, this is just my approach to it. Okay, you can, you know, there is different, the books are saying different things. My approach, this is the way I think about it. Okay, so this is 0 and this is 1, so they think of it, they are not changing. This is always going to be 0, this is going to be 1, but what changes the input. So the input, if I change it, now the input is 1, but this is still 0, so we are just saying 1 and 0 give us 1. The light is on, isn't it? And this is 1, this is 1, and the light is off. Okay, if I open it, here we go. Now what happens in the real life is the CPU check the status of this guy, and according to the status of this, it changed the output right here. So if you look right here, there we go. So the status of this is on, this guy is on. If we let this open, the status is off and this guy is closed. But the easiest way to think about it is think it like this: 0 and 1. This is the one who is changing. Now this is 0, so 0 and 0 will give you 0, the light will be off. 0 and 1 is going to give you 1. Just remember, anytime you have 1 and 0, you will get 1. If you have 1 and 1, you will get 0. So if I close it, so this is 1, this is 0, the light is on. I hope that makes sense. All right, guys. See you in the next lecture.